Hello guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix 0xc00007b error in Windows 10. If you are new to my channel, please consider subscribe. Without further ado, let's jump into video. There are a bunch of steps. I will show you how you can fix that error. So let's start it. First step is you need to restart your PC. For that, you can just tap on this Windows icon and tap on power icon and tap on restart. This will restart your computer. After restarting, you can check again that error is still occurred. That is step number 1. Step 2 is you need to check the Windows update. For that, you can tap on Windows icon, then you can tap on setting. After loading, you can see there is option called update and security. Tap on it. Then the first option is Windows update. Currently in my computer, Windows is successfully updated. If you don't sure about your updates, just tap on check for update. It will check online for updates, and if there is update for your PC, it will automatically update it. After that, you can restart your computer again and check for that error is still happen. That is step number 2. And step number 3 is you need to run the application as administrator. Just think about the error is occurred on VLC media player running. Now you need to do is just right click on that application. Then there is option called run as administrator. Just tap on it and tap on yes. Then you can see is that error still happen or not. Step number 4 is you need to reinstall Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributable packages. First you need to uninstall existing packages. For that, you have to go control panel by searching control panel here. This is the option. Tap on it. Then you have to go programs. It is here. And programs and features. Tap on it. It will load all the programs and features installed on your machine. You can find is there any Microsoft Visual C++ packages here. Scroll down. Okay, you can see there are a lot of options here. You need to do is just tap on it and there is an uninstall button appear. Tap on it. You need to uninstall all these C++ packages. Then after uninstall complete, you need to go to your browser. I like to use Google Chrome, and you have to download those again. For that, just search for Microsoft Visual C++ download and hit enter. Then you can see the first option, latest support Visual C++ packages. Click on it. It will redirect you to Microsoft website. You can see there are various options here. Scroll down a little bit and you can see there are 3 download options here. You can choose whatever version you like. This is for 64-bit and this is for 32-bit. Alright, that's the step number 4. And next step is step number 5 is you need to download .NET framework. For that, I will open new tab and type .NET download and hit enter. The first option you can see download .NET. Tap on it from Microsoft. Okay, you can see the current version is .NET 8.0. You just need to download using this button. Tap on it Okay, you can now they will ask the download location for this. You can choose location and just save. I don't download this right now, so I cancel it. That is step number 5. Step number 6 is you need to download DirectX. That is necessary for some games and other stuff. For that, you can open new tab and type DirectX download and hit enter. As same as you have to go first option, DirectX end user runtime downloader, and you can easily see there is a download button here, and you need to choose your language according to your country and tap on download. That also asks for download location for your setup. You can choose the download location and just tap on save. I'm not downloading this right now, just cancel it. That is step number 6. The step number 7 is you have to run system file checker. If there is a file missing in your application, this will identify that file and it will show you. For that, you have to press Windows plus X. Or otherwise you can just search on command prompt. You can see it is appear, and you have to run it as administrator. For that, right click on it, tap on run as administrator, and yes. Now you have to do is type this command sfc space /scan now and just hit enter. Okay, now you can see beginning system scan. It will take some time. Wait for complete this one. After the completing, you can see there is some missing file is here, and you can download those as well. I'm cancel this process right now. Okay, so step number 8 is you just reinstall the application. As I previously said, if your problem is occurred on VLC media player, you just go to control panel, tap on it, and go to programs and features. Okay, this will shows every program installed on this PC. Search for VLC media player. Okay, it is right here. Just tap on it and tap on uninstall. It will uninstall the program you need. Then after, you have to install it again. Most probably this step will fix your issue. So that's step number 8. The step number 9 is check the missing DLL files. Okay, if you see some error message appear, some DLL message is not showing, you have to manually type that DLL file on your web browser and download it. But if you download DirectX file, DirectX application, it will solve that DLL file missing errors completely. So that's not a necessary step. The step number 10 is you have to update graphic drivers. For that, as previously, go to start and go to setting. Then again you have to go update and security. Just tap on it, and automatically it will show Windows Update. And you can see there is option called view optional updates. Just tap on it, and there is option called drive updates. Tap on it. It will download manually the drivers for your PC. If you see your graphic drivers here, just tap on that icon. It will make a tick on that icon and download. Click on download and install. So it will download and install the graphic drivers for your PC. Then after, you have to restart the PC and check that problem will fixed. Then the last option is step number 11 is you have to reinstall the Windows. That is the last option, and it is take lot of time because you have to reinstall again every application in your PC, so it is little bit difficult method. I hope you can fix that issue before this last step. So okay, that's all about today's video. I hope you can solve your problem by using these 11 steps, and thank you very much for watching.